We're going to the store. Okay, now get out. Okay. Okay, let's go. Hey, you coming? No, I'm staying here. Now, come on, let's go. Before it's too late. Okay, come on, let's go. We don't want to waste time, let's go. Okay, I'm coming. Let's go. Come on. A few hours later. Come on, open the door. I'm freezing. Okay, I'm trying. Oh my god. What? It's locked. It is scared. Chow. Oh my god. Sister! Oh my god, I forgot I locked the door. I was supposed to unlock it when they left. I forgot. I was too focused on my phone. Oh my god. Dude, you got the keys? Yes, I got the keys. I think it's jammed from your dad. From dad sneaking out too much. Oh my god. Come on, we have to get in. Come on, we gotta close every door. Okay. Sister, comfort them. Okay. Look. It's locked out. Come on. Gotta close every single one. Lock. Ka-chow. So scary. The twins are crying. Go check the fridge. Okay. We got some food to last us a week. Bro, I just checked my phone. This snowstorm is gonna stay for like a month. A month? A month is crazy. If this is gonna last us a week, we're only gonna have 7 days. We're gonna have to use this food wisely. Put this food on the table. Girl, that's rotten. We were supposed to eat it yesterday, but then y'all had to go to school. That's why it was so cold outside. The twins are crying. We have no food. Oh my god, this is so bad. Everyone just calm down. Okay, let's calm down. Okay, let's just act like it's a normal day, right? The twins are crying. Sister, can you go comfort them? Hey, Summer. You don't need to be rude Autumn. I don't care. This is so boring. It's okay, okay? It's okay, you can sit here. Look, these aren't... Okay. What about the baby? The baby? You forgot about the baby? You mean we forgot about the baby? Oh my god, I'm gonna get the baby now. Come on. Bro, where's the baby? Where's the baby? Oh my god. Oh my god. No, it can't be. At least he started walking. No, I can't believe this happened. I gotta go tell him. The baby what?